Hello, Mr. Kazi. How are you? Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. What is the weather situation in the Bangladesh right now these days? It's
Weather is
cold.
good. Actually, the situation is regarding the election upcoming.
Okay, okay. Election. Okay, 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 okay.
We all are excited about this election, and we think that something good is going to happen here.
Sorry.
We are expecting that something good is going to happen here regarding the
Okay,
election.
okay, 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 okay. Inshallah, inshallah. What about your team is going to the for the World Cup?
Welcome. Uh, Actually, our team is also confused regarding the World Cup. Will we they are able to go there or not? But Pakistan is supporting us. This is very good.
Okay, okay. Okay, Mr. Kazi, I think people from Pakistan are not joining yet. So we will start our today lecture.
Sure, sir.
So today we are preparing a one layout for the ground mounted systems. Like we have solar panels and that one layout with a proper fencing. Then we have make a one proper roads in that area. Then we leave the space for the substation area and other things. Okay. So just we are preparing that, and we will make a proper layout, and then we set up a printing sheet. We set up one page proper. You, as per your communication, I am expecting that you know very well about the AutoCAD and software
Yes, sir. I am
because
working actually in the basically the
uh,
civil works, building floor plan.
okay, yes, from your communication, know very well that you are already working on that in the AutoCAD. Basically, AutoCAD is very beneficial for the civil phase. We are just placing like some lines for the cables and other things, but you have to do the proper elevation and other things and gradings and other things, different things in the civil field. So, okay. Uh, so starting from our lecture, I'm sharing my screen. So that is the new file. I'm just first of all, I am just go to the file and saving that file. Now we first of all set up our units. We are setting unit in the meters, decimal like 2 digits, and then we are pressing OK. Then we set up our this text modification like standards. If we do that modifications like text height, it should be like 2.5 standard text size, and then we are going to do in that one Arial height should be 2.5, and then apply that one. the arrow should be like same one, 2.5, and then close this one, height. Okay. So I'm just okay, pressing okay. Now we I have just marking a one layout, like just I'm like here, like here. Basically, so just moving that one right there. Now we will make a proper layout in that close boundary. Okay. So first of all, we have to give them the offset for that working. We give them 10-meter offset. Let's DLI, DAL for that one. What is it? DLI. Action. DLI. It should be 10. Okay. Now we have to, first of all, we just give them the offset like 15-meter for the 15-meter for the safety purpose. Now we are making a panel, rectangular rectangle, like it should be just, I just want to check one drawing unit. Okay. So we are just making a one layout, sorry, one panel. Uh, First of all, length should be, sorry, width should be 1.303, and length should be 2.382 meter. Same like 1.303, and then I have to close that one. Now I'm just giving them the offset of that, the thickness. Thickness is 33 mm. So 0.0 offset 0.033. Okay. Placing that one, and then this one. Now I'm just making a block B PV module, 715 watt. Select object. Okay. Now you have to make a layer of that one. First of all, you have to make the layer. This is the new option for the new layer. You just create new layer. PV module. What is layer? Basically, when you are working in the layer, when you uncheck that one, the whole PV modules or anything which in the same layer, it should be like this one. Just give them 150. Okay. So here I just select that layer and then we have created that one. But I just want to give them the hatch under that one. Like this is the hatch 5. uh, idea. Okay. It should be like 0.00. No, no. We have to increase that one. Okay. It should be like 50, 10. Where is the hatch? No, it should be 0.01 like this one. Or it should be 0.06. Okay. So we are just selecting the layer under that one and close. Okay, now it's become the panels. Now we are moving that panel. So we have to make the array command, rectangular array. Here we just give them the two rows. This become 1.329 and this become like 3 point sorry 2.382 plus 0.026 2.4 2.408. Okay, now it's become full structure. So we are making a layout of 28 28 strings structure. Okay, now it's become 28 structure. What is the length of that one? Too much small. Yes, 5 point. So just we have to like small that area, stretch here, and then we have stretch that area because we have to just Uh, as a practice, we are using that one. So that is why I just want to. Okay. Now it's okay. It's too much. So it's 28 PV modules, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Now it's 28 PV module structure. 28 PV module structure. So we have to place that structure like here. Now we have to make an array. First of all, we have to save that one because maybe in array our computer will, oh, sorry, rectangular. Now I'm just giving in between. First of all, I need that length from this edge because we are uh, 37.21. 37.21, 37.21 meter plus 0 point, sorry, 1 meter, 1 meter, 38.21. Okay. And we just giving them this, this length should be 38.21 and this should be 10, sorry, minus 10. Okay. So here, so we have to like give them the road. We are axle vertical. We are just here. We have one road. So offset we give them like 10 meter for the road purpose. And then we have like here we are making some road like here and some here. Okay. Here I just give them the offset of 21 meter and same like that one. Okay. Now I'm just pressing, placing that panels and I just give them this row around 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, no, 28. Okay, 28s are okay. 29, 29 is okay, I think. Okay, 29 are okay. Now we are increasing that into that one, like 10, 15, 30. Here you can see that our layout in the for layer formation 30. So now we just exploit that because they are creating it too much issue. That is why I have exploited that one. Okay, now it's okay. Basically, now now okay. Now I'm just copying that one like here. Here you can see that we have created a proper layout. That one. Mr. Kazi, have you used the PV case before?
No, sir.
Kindly try that. It's very good software. Okay.
Sorry, sir, I missed your voice.
I'm saying that kindly try that in civil
Which one, sir?
prospective PV case.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It's very good for the like the civil prospective. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is paid one, but as a businessman, you can like purchase the crack version
Okay, sir.
because you are the businessman.
Sir, all businessmen are not rich.
Inshallah, one day you will become rich.
Inshallah, sir.
Inshallah. How much project you have uh, won right now in
Now we
civil?
are working in small scale projects normally. These are 10 kilo, 20 kilo, 14 kilo.
At the
Actually,
start of the project, at the start of the project, it is very good. Matlab, means that in the start of the company, it is very good.
yes, sir. Actually, in our country, there is a government rules that to install any kind of or utility or any large buildings, there is a mandatory to install the solar panels.
Okay, okay, that's great. So means that in your company, solar has like a very good future right now.
We don't know. It will it will depend. Many things is depending on the political situation.
Ah, yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. It is very like too much unknown situation right now in the different countries and scenarios. So I'm just copying that files, and bec- because I can use the array command as a reference, but because this project is too much large that one, and they are creating because in my computer the C drive is almost full due to some data and other thing. That is why they are creating issue in that in my laptop. So that is why just for the understanding purpose and for your to how we will prepare a one proper layout, I'm just copying that one.
Sir, will you please show how can we calculate the DC cable lengths from this?
Sorry.
The
Yes, yes.
DC
I will show. I will show. No issue. I will show everything, brother. No issue. Mr. Kazi, are you satisfied with this course?
obviously, sir. It's out of my section actually.
Uh, Okay. That is very good sign for me because when the client or the student are satisfied from your services, that means that you are doing right things.
Then you should continue the course.
Mm, no, no, brother. Basically, I have some issues and also due to that course, my family will too much affected. Exam will also affect through that one. So that is why I have to like discontinue that course. So right, guys, just as a purpose, I have just prepared one layout. But these things, these small area, I'm just uh, and and right here. Okay, okay. We just make PN from that options and just so, so that is why please continue this course. I know people like need that course, but I have some issues. Basically, my health is creating a too much issue because when you are providing these courses, you have to like fix your timing. I AutoCAD is creating too much issue.
Sir, make more smaller plant.
Sorry,
For teaching purpose, this large plant I don't think it's necessary. Make smaller plant.
but uh, yes, that is why I'm just deleting that one. Just deleting that one. Mr. Kazi, I just want that if you are like paying some, you can see that how we will make uh, the large scale layouts. That is why my purpose is is that to show how you will Okay, just giving that uh, uh, 15-meter offset. That is the main reason. That is why I just like creating too much large layout. I know I don't need that one, but it is my responsibility. I am just feeling that it is my responsibility to show the things proper to everyone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is the main reason. Just because, brother, basically, uh, my purpose is that I'm not here for the money making. I'm here for the people learning, basically.
I understood that, sir.
Uh,
Why- When we start the company, first time the knowledge was very rare in our
you
country,
can,
this field.
you know that only five people are in that course. Only five people, and but I have committed and I have give the like uh, advertisement of that one, that course. That is why I just start the course because like Mr. Greg has first one that pay the course price, and I know he's very he pay me my purpose. That is why I just felt that it is not a good if I will discontinue or that is why I started the course and I just like delayed for the uh, around 2 weeks this course. That is the reason because I'm not feeling good at that time. In the previous batch, when I'm delivering the last batch, at the end of the course, I'm almost off for the 1 week, and after 1 week, I have just extend my course for the 1 week because my health is not in good situations. So that is why I uh, like here for the that purpose because I have advertised the course already. That is why I just start the course. That is the main reason. And also I committed to you because you have requested me don't discontinue.
Sir, I am an optimistic person. My first project after registering the company came after 8 months.
Okay, okay. Inshallah, in future, inshallah, in future you will getting more and more
Inshallah, sir.
projects. Fine. So I just uh, set the layers. Now I'm making, so I'm just making the layer, the roads XL for this one, offset of the 5 meter in the center. Oh, sorry. So total XL DLI. I'm just checking the length, 25 meter. So it is around, this is like center. Now I just giving the offset of 4, sorry, 2 on both sides. Then I just give them the offset of 1, because when we are doing the roads, we are preparing a one complete rectangular command. Okay. Now I have make them as a road, beeline this one as a road, and one rectangular offset of 1 meter. Okay. Now I deleted that one. Here I have just converted into the road layer, but this should be the offset layer. Okay. Now I'm just giving the global width like 0.1, no, 0.2. Okay, this is 0.2. Here is the road midline. So I'm just giving the hatch as a road. Just you can use like the fixed one, but I just give them green one. So it is the road which I have made. Then copy that one and from that center, we just move that one here also. Okay. Now we copy that one, take outside, rotate, RO for rotate. In the center line, 90 degree. Okay. No, you have to move that road in the center portion. Now you have to stretch that one. Stretch. Okay. Like here. So here I have just delete that one. This hatch. Hatch again. And this is the match command which we have used already. MA for match properties. So I just give them as a match command. Okay. Now these road are prepared. Okay. Now we have to prepare that road, this road. We again give them the offset of 5 meter, like 2 and 3, 5 meters. Okay. Uh, Kazi, uh, record command. Have you remember the command to enable this act record command?
Sorry, sir.
Act record command, which basically I have set that one by mistaken. Now I want to enable that one. Have you know the command?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, no issue. We just give them the offset command. Okay. Now I have just give them 2 meter for the both side and that one, and also the offset of 1 meter. 1 meter basically, this is the collar height of the roads. Okay. These should be converted into the this offset layer. Hatches should be like 0.2, and these should be converted into the road, but color should be green. Global width should be 0.2. This should become. Now I am not giving the hatch in that one, but the purpose is that it is the road options. Okay. Okay. Touch that one. I just stretching, no other thing. is the reason. So here is just the layout which I have prepared. This is the area, like we make a rectangular for the substation area. Okay. Here we just give them, this is the basically the fence line. We make a fence layer. Okay. Color should be blue, this blue, and this should be fence lines. If we check, there is the fence line available. This is the fence. Okay. So here we just convert into the fence. Okay. Now we give them the road option, gate option. So here we give them one row, gate option there. So this is the layout. Now we just make a one printing sheet there. Mr. Kazi, basically today lecture is going to too much lengthy. I will uh, tell you the length calculation by tomorrow class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I'm setting the page. This is the ISO full bleed A2 page size. We have set that one. I just delete that options first of all. Now I will making a one like MV command. MV, like here I just setting a MV command. Okay. Now this become in the zero layer, and now when you are working in that, you have to set the scale of that one. If we set that as a 0 0, you can see that on the 0 0 they are not setting up. Now you have to check one again. It should be set up at like 1 by 4, 1 by 5, no, 1 by 8. Okay, it is around 1 by 8 or 1 by 5. If we set up at 1 by 5, if we increase the size, the page, modify A1. Okay, no, it should be become 1 by 4, the best options there. Okay, now you have to like decrease this MV port. Okay, no issue. You can lock that MV port. This is this one. Now, if you double click, no change. But if this is not locked, it will be go inside. And now I just want one rectangular in which this length should be like in 850 0.8 meter 841 divided by 1000. This should be 0.595. Yes, this length should be 0.81 and this should be 0.95. Rectangular 841 594. So that is the size. Okay. Now I just give them the offset of that page, like 5 meter. Set of offset. Sorry, 5 mm. Sorry, 10 mm. Okay. I just give them the offset of that one. Now we will make the full page. Basically, I want to make a full page size, which we have seen in that. Okay. Now it should be like TL, like here, copy, I just making a one page. Most of time you have seen that in AutoCAD drawings. Okay. Copy. Okay. Okay. Now we make it here. Copy. Same one. Same one. Same one. No, but okay. That's okay. Move in the center. Copy. Okay. Now we make them a block B, A1 page. Okay. Now we place that into the bottom. Okay. Now control P, control P, preview this.
So normally hatches take too much memory.
Yes, yes, I know that, brother. But if you use the PV case, it will like make a proper layout in PV case options. But because it is a purchase version, and everyone can not purchase that PV case. But my purpose is that you know that how we will make the proper layouts as a study purpose. Think they are too much taking times. So we just convert into the PDF, save that one. Sorry, basically new order cost actually. Okay, now you can see that the proper layout. Okay, guys, I think I have like try to def layer, def point. Okay, def point means that they will not show the layers. Okay, I think it's enough for the today. If you have any question, you can ask the question. No question. Okay, guys. Inshallah, we will meet by tomorrow. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.